Yes, this is our program. Now first let me run the program so that we can know what the program looks and what the program does. So I am right clicking it and run as Android application. It will take some for the emulator to load. Yeah, here it is. This is our main activity. We are in activity 1. There is one label which states that enter your name, and there is one text box and one button. We enter a name, enter your name. I enter Akash and click on submit button. As soon as I click on submit button, I am redirected to activity 2, welcome Akash. This means that whatever name we have put in the text box, that name is also redirected to activity 2. We have also a button named back. As soon as I click on back, I am again redirected to the first activity. Now let's look at the coding part. There are two main files, Java files, main activity as well as screen2. The corresponding XML files are here, activity main and activity underscore screen2. The logic part we have written in main activity. I am double clicking it. Here I have declared a button as well as edit text. Here I have declared a method and calling the method in this point. This is the button on click listener. This means that in the activity 1, uh, once the user has entered any name and on the click of the button, these three line of code would be executed. The first line states that I have explicitly called a class. Which class I have called? I have called screen2.java. This means that on click of the button, screen2.java would be opened. The second line states that we send a value to the new activity. Whatever the name we have entered in the text box, it gets transferred to the second activity. And last is start activity intent. We use this line for opening a new activity, start activity, and inside we pass intent as a argument. Now we go on screen2.java. In screen2 we have to receive the data. I have declared string title, text view, message and button. In the title I am storing the value whatever I get from activity 1, and in message I am setting the message whatever I have received in activity 1. This means that title stores the message and message displays the message in activity 2. In screen 2 we have one button, back button. What does the back button do? Back button again redirects us to the activity 1. So here in the first line I have called explicit intent, and in the argument I have passed main activity dot class. This means that whenever the user clicks on the back button, he will redirect it to main activity dot class. And finally, start activity passing intent as an argument for opening a new activity. So once again I am running the program. Run as Android application. Yes. Enter your name. Again I am running the program. I am entering Akash Android and click on submit button. Welcome Akash Android. I am in activity 2, and as soon as I click on back button I would be redirected to 2 and activity 1. Here it is. Thank you.